Here's how I fixed a squeaky leakgate on my 2021 Toyota Venza. With your vehicle on, you're going to want to scroll down to the settings, which is the gear, then over to the vehicle settings, which is the vehicle with the gear on top of it. Push and hold enter. Now you're going to enter the PBD setting. Now go into system settings here and turn it off by pushing once to disable it. Now you're going to turn your engine off. We're then going to go to the hatch, raise it all the way to the top, and then lower it back down. And it'll be heavy since the motor's not assisting it, and that'll reset the calibration for the sensors. Now we're going to raise the latch all the way to the top and then shove it closed. Now that that's done, we're going to turn our engine back on. Go back to our settings for the vehicle. Now we're going to go to the PBD and we're going to turn it back on. Now we can go outside and see if it worked. Now your squeak should be gone. If there's any questions, leave them in the comments below. Leave a thumbs up. Thank you.